Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. Have y'all been seeing those little things all over TikTok and on the internet, those little smash burgers? Guess what? That's what we're going to be making tonight. So y'all just come on with me in the kitchen and we'll get started. Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about home, family, and living this life that God has so graciously blessed us with. Our channel is full of content that I hope encourages you, inspires you, and most of all helps you on your journey. Be sure to hit like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you will get notified every time new content is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every video. All right, y'all. Let's get these things started. I am not, y'all please excuse me, don't throw the book at me, but I am not a big fan of McDonald's hamburgers, okay? I'm just really not. I'm a Burger King girl, okay? I love those Whoppers. I love those Junior Whoppers, okay? I'm a Burger King girl. I do not care too much for McDonald's. You do McDonald's, I'll do Burger King, okay? But y'all, what I'm excited about these is I've just been seeing this going around all over TikTok, internet, YouTube shorts, stuff like that. And they look so simple. And I'm like, why didn't I think of that? And then I'm like, you know what? Those look pretty neat. You still got your burger, but in a tortilla form. You don't have to have all the bread, which my husband can't have a lot. And if we do go with bread, I have to find low-carb bread, y'all, or something. And sometimes it's just like reading labels, just, okay? On this pre-diabetic journey and diabetic journey, I mean, we've just had to start reading labels and learn and do research. And y'all, one tip that someone told me about or I read, and it has helped tremendously with reading labels. Y'all, it is raining outside. It's so gloomy and it's raining, so if you hear something, okay, it may get bad here in a minute. I see the clouds. And anyway, back to my subject squirrel moment there for a second. I learned, let me see if I can explain this where you can understand it. Okay, diabetics can't have a lot of carbs and sugar. Okay, carbs turns to sugar. Okay, starches. Okay, but let me see if I can explain this. Let me explain it. High fiber and high protein breaks down carbs quicker and better. If you're reading labels and you're concerned about the high carbs, go over here to the other little side or wherever it's at. Look for the grams of fiber and the grams of protein. Add those together. Subtract that amount from your total carbs. Then you get your net carbs. That has taught us a lot, okay? Because I'm thinking, oh my gosh, this has got 20-something grams of carbohydrates. But then I look at the fiber and the protein. Fiber and protein, let me say that again. Fiber and protein helps break down carbs faster, flush them out of the system, and balance a little bit. So, y'all, we have been using whole wheat tortillas, spinach tortillas, you know, the healthier versions besides the just flour tortillas, okay, because they're higher in carbs, okay, the flour tortillas. So I got to tone it down a notch and either get spinach tortillas or whole wheat. Well, they were still a little high, too high to my liking, but they were okay. But then I came across these. How do you pronounce these things? La Banderita. La Banderita. Okay. Y'all see these? Do you see this? Do you see this? let me explain something else. Let me put my glasses on. They did the math for me, okay? These have 16 total carbs, but 11 grams, of fiber. You subtract those two, 5 grams net carbs. That's another reason why I'm excited to try these. And y'all, and I'm gonna pair it with just some curly fries tonight. Kroger brand spiral fries, supposed to be curly fries in the air fryer. And this is what we're gonna have tonight for tonight's meal. So simple. And the other half of the bag of that is going to go with, y'all, his favorite, Sloppy Joes, okay? He's like a kid with them Sloppy Joes. Okay, y'all, these are called Smashburgers for a reason. Let's get into making these, because this is going to be the simplest meal tonight ever, okay? So, if you like tortillas and you don't like all the buns and the bread and the starch, this is going to work perfect for him, okay? Because I found a healthier tortilla, and this is just going to be cool. Okay, y'all, they're called Smashburgers for a reason. And I'm going to show you how simple this is, okay? And how simple they are to put together. Okay, I took my hamburger meat. I got it out of the freezer this morning or last night, put it in the refrigerator, let it thaw out. And then all I did was just put it in a bowl with some seasonings, mushed it all up, and this is what we're going to do next, okay? The simplest thing ever, y'all. Let me take that ring off. Okay, all you're going to do is smash these babies out to all the corners of your tortilla. Not corners, because it's round, you silly girl. Okay, you're just going to keep smashing. I was able to get 4, y'all. Now, y'all, if y'all want to go with a smaller tortilla, you can. I just got these. I didn't get the big golly whoppers. I think these are the 8 inches. Y'all, this is all you're going to do. Smash the dog soup out of it, okay? As my mama would say, smash the dog soup out of it. Hi, Mama. My precious little mama. Okay, here you go, y'all. Y'all, I love my mama. She's my best friend, and she watches my videos, so I have to be a good little girl. I have to be on my best behavior. All right, I don't want to smush it too much, y'all, because I do want some, some meat on there. Okay, you're just going to get it as close to the edge as you can. All right, I'm going to finish these 3, and then we're just going to go to the next step. Okay, y'all, this is all you do next. You take your little tortilla, just like that. Put it in your skillet. We are going to cook this, y'all, until the meat is done. It's not going to take long for it to get done because it's so thin, so you might want to just keep an eye on it, okay? So we're going to cook this until it's good and brown on that side, okay? And then we're going to flip it over and go to the next step. All right, y'all, we are fixing to turn this over. I'm going to grab this, make sure I get the meat. We're going to turn this over. Okay, y'all, let me make a little disclaimer. Make sure you get a meat that is like 90-10 or 80-20, because if you've got like a lot of fat in your meat, it's going to make your tortilla soggy, okay? Now, you add your cheese. Y'all, you can add your cheese however you want to. You can do a whole big old block, a whole big old square, but I know that this is going to kind of get folded over, so I'm going to do like half here and half there, okay? Okay, so like I said, this is going to get kind of halfway folded over, okay? When I get my tortilla just a little bit crunchy or like I want it, fries are going in the air fryer, I'm going to get this on a plate and then go from there, okay? All right, y'all, I don't have a lot of space here, so I'm just kind of working with what I got. Now, we're going to start fixing this up. I like my sauce close to my meat, okay? Not on top of all the fixings, because they just make them slide. Y'all do know that that sauce at McDonald's is nothing but ketchup, mayonnaise, and relish, right? This may not look the best because this is the first time I'm trying this, y'all, but we're going to work with it. Okay, and I don't like a dry burger, y'all. I'm gonna put me just a little bit of onions on here, y'all. I don't like tomatoes, but I will put tomatoes on dear hubbies, okay? So you got your little diced onions. They're probably not as diced as what McDonald's is, but that's okay. Y'all know you only get just a little bit of fixings on your burger at McDonald's, right? Now lettuce. Dear hubby will get a tomato on his. I don't do tomatoes. Now, we're going to try to fold this up like it's supposed to be folded up. I got it as crunchy as I wanted it. So now, we are just going to fold this up. And y'all, give me just a second. I'm going to get the camera to where I'm going to have to fold it up again, y'all, in just a second. And then I'll taste test it, okay? Okay, y'all. Are you ready? Y'all see that toasty? Okay? We're going to try this, y'all. It may work. It may not. I may like it. I may not. But, y'all, it ain't for the sake of not trying, okay? Here we go. Y'all, excuse me. Napkin. Y'all. Y'all. That's pretty doggone good. That's good. I am excited. I think hubby's gonna like these. You don't get a mouthful of bread and a big old sandwich that you can't bite into. The sauce is there. His is gonna be better and have more fixings, y'all. His is going to be better because I'm going to add tomato to his, and his is going to look prettier, okay? He'll have more fixings. Y'all, this is pretty good. I'm going to do the other three just like this. I've got about 2 more minutes on the curly fries in the air fryer. One. Okay, they're done. I'm going to get all this plated up and then show you what the plate looks like and show you what our supper is tonight. So y'all just tune in to the end and see what these look like, okay? All right, y'all. Here is dear hubby's. Y'all, that looks delicious. We're gonna chow, y'all. Y'all give these a try, okay? We will see you in the next video.